Everyone that is into AI who I know keeps talking about Bolt.new.
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 I want to see if it lives up to the hype. Today I will use Bolt.new and try to create a 3D module product and see how far we can push this platform. For those who are not familiar with Bolt.new, I've made a series of videos of how to build an app from scratch and deploy it. Also, I showed in my previous video how to connect a database into your automation or your CRM. I really recommend watching my previous videos if you haven't watched them. Now, here I showed a snippet of how I built 3D products on Bolt.new with no coding experience whatsoever. It's pretty simple. What I will do here is simply start from scratch, and we're simply going to go back on Bolt and start our prompt. I want to build an e-commerce app that sells computers. I really want to build like an app that looks like Gymshark. I really like their design, but this app should be for e-commerce like computers, iPhones, etc. And I want to call this app Tech Pro. A cool feature about Bolt.new is the fact that we're able to see live action of the app being coded. Okay, so far it looks really good. In one single prompt, barely was a prompt. I wrote only like 3 lines and it was able to create for me this app. Where like, I believe now creating apps will be a complete different game, especially with these type of platforms. Let's try not to waste too much time and go to actually find a 3D module product and add it into our website. Simply just going to go to Epic Games, 3D module products for free, so we can use it today. Here, I'll simply go to 3D module. But we don't necessarily need to go for that. We can go to price lowest first, 3D modules, and electronics. Let's go laptop. Okay, there it is. Okay, I kind of like this one, and this one is a good one. It's the same one as I had in my previous video. So I just go personal. It's free. You download it. You're gonna get this pop-up. Make sure not to install the first one or the second one. Make sure you install the .glb, the third one. Once you have it downloaded, you go back to Bolt.new. At the top right, you can see Open and Stack Blitz. You click on it and make sure you close Bolt.new. Here, we're going to create a new folder. And this folder, we're going to name it Assets. Make sure to remember that. And we're going to go back to the 3D module of what we installed. And we're going to drag it in the Assets folder. You have this pop-up, it's all right. Just press on save. Now that everything looks good, we're just gonna open Bolt at the top left. Here, it's automatically seeing that there is a new file, or if sometimes it doesn't detect it, you can just simply type it and say, hey, in assets, you can find a 3D module. Okay, this is great. It was able to put the laptop. Now, what we should do is try to make this app look good. So I'll skip forward into the video. Here's the final result. I appreciate you guys watching my video to the end. If you guys need any help whatsoever with Bolt.new, feel free to reach me into the comment section or send me a message on LinkedIn. I'll see you on the next one.